Welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you how to make your iPhone screen black when it's locked. So as you can see, it's currently locked and you can still see the wallpaper and the time on it. However, what if you don't want to see the wallpaper? Then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see display and brightness. Now you want to scroll down until you see always on display. Currently it's switched on, so that's why you're seeing the wallpaper and you're seeing any notifications if you have enabled it. Now what if you just want to see a black wallpaper and just the time? So you can do this by basically switching off show wallpaper. Now when you go back and you lock your screen, you'll see only the time and the rest will be all black. So there you go. That is how to make your iPhone screen black when it's locked. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.